This video demonstrates how to upgrade as a partner and manage users in EdbMails. Click on Reseller in the menu. Enter the details like name, email address, and password. Then click Create Account button. To upgrade as a partner from member, send the details to EdbMails support. Click OK to proceed. Fill the appropriate details. Then click Send Description Feedback button. Once your account is upgraded to partner, log in to your partner account. Click on Add Users button to create a user under your partner account. Enter the required user details. Then click Create Account button. Click Login as button to purchase the license for a particular user. Select the product that you wish to purchase. Then click Buy License button. Select the required license edition. Then click Buy Now. Select the required option and click Buy Now. Click Proceed to checkout. Enter the required billing details. Then click Proceed to checkout. Enter the code details and click Make a payment.